Hi, I'm Rakshaa. In this video, I will be demonstrating an experiment to show the effects of global warming. Since it is lockdown period due to COVID-19, I'm using only homemade materials to demonstrate this activity. The materials you will be needing are 2 tablespoons of solid butter added each to a separate cup, 1 large basin which will be acting as a lid, a stopwatch, and matches, and some pile of newspapers. As butter is a material which gets melted easily, I am using a stopwatch to calculate the time taken for this butter to melt. Light the fire. Be careful when you do this. Close it with a lid and place the butter inside the lid. These are the states of the butter cups after some time. This is the butter cup which was kept in the normal surrounding temperature. This melted in 5 minutes 27 seconds, but it did not melt completely. You can see that some solid particles are still left behind. This butter melted completely. You can see it has got converted into liquid butter. This melted in 25 seconds. It was kept near the paper flames which emitted carbon dioxide. This experiment clearly proves that more amount of greenhouse gas is very harmful for our earth. Considering these 2 buttercups as our earth, we can conclude that the emission of carbon dioxide and greenhouse gas can spoil our earth very quickly, and it is a negative impact for our mother earth. We must find an alternative to stop this problem.